Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Devinshal. Today I will show you how to build one personal portfolio page in HTML and CSS. And I hope you'll be also enjoying this video also and this project also, like enjoying all the previous projects and previous videos, and I hope you are learning also from that videos. Like previously on, we have built many of the things, like we have built technical documentation, page, survey, form. Then we have also built many of the other things like tribute page and many other we have made. So today also we will be making one project which name is personal portfolio page. So it will be a simple personal portfolio page. It will be not having so much styling or so much HTML or CSS. I will be making it simple for you because we are doing projects for beginners, and for beginners we want, like, we should having a simple project so everyone can understand if they are new to programming or they are learning programming. So we will be starting with our project now, and before that, if you are enjoying my video, learning from that, so please hit a like to this video. If you are new on the channel, also hit the subscribe button and also share this video with your friend and family members so they can also learn what is coding and how to do coding. So now we will be starting with our project. So like I'm telling you, we will be just building a simple and personal portfolio page. So we will be starting and we will be now building that. So for building a personal portfolio page, here you have to just go to your search bar and search for Sublime Text here simply. So search for Sublime Text, and when you will be opening your Sublime Text, so we will be working in this Sublime Text here. Like previously on, we have built many of the projects with that. So simply I will be erasing these all codes which we have written previously on. Simply I will be closing this file because I was just not working with these files. Here I was just working with my other files. So simply I will be opening that files. So here my files got on desktop like this one. One was called index.html, here it is, and one was called style.css. So I'll be opening these both files here by selecting that both. Now you can see we have opened both files, and now we will be working in these both files. So simply I'll be going to index.html. You can see we have built parallax website previously on, so that was the code of that. So I will be erasing that now. Here I will be writing another starting code of HTML in which we will be working. Simply I will be pressing enter, and you can see we have just done that, and now starting code of HTML has been appeared. Now we will be doing one thing, like previously on, when we are building any project in our video, so we were just randomly making project and going to Opera browser and checking that. So we don't have to do it again and again, and now I will be doing one thing. I will be taking it side by side. Means on one side we will be doing our codes, and on one side we will be seeing, like, from our codes what it is building. So simply I will be doing it side by side, but before that I will be opening my index.html file in which I will be building my you can say this project of personal portfolio. So it will be really simple project, not really big project which we will be making here. I will be closing these both files. Now I will be taking it side by side here. Just I'll be closing one of them because I want only one file. Here I will be pressing this. You can see we have get it side by side. Now just I'll be doing one thing. I'll be giving a title here, like we are building a personal portfolio page. So simply I'll be giving the name of portfolio page, because if I give personal, so it will be really big. You can see that now portfolio page we have given title, and when I have reload or you can say refresh that, so we are just getting our portfolio page title at the above of our title, like when we just reload that, so we are just getting here. Simply I will be moving to my body, means I will be moving under my body tag. Here simply I will be writing a tag. You can say h1 tag, means heading 1 tag, and in this heading 1 tag I will be writing my heading of personal portfolio. So simply write here personal portfolio page. Save this file and reload from here. You can see personal portfolio has been saved and reload. Now I want this should be in center. So for doing that, simply when you have saved that, here I will be just making one, like about me section. Here I will be making down. Simply I will be going down by pressing br tag. You can set 2 of them, br tag or 3. First of all I will be writing 3 br tag and seeing how much space we are getting when we are making that. Here I'll be given h3 tag, and I'll be writing about me, because in personal portfolio you will be writing about your. So here I will be now saving and reloading. So about me section has been coming. So if you are writing about any other, like if you are making this project for your client, if you are making this page for your client, so you will be writing about me section and writing all the details about your clients, like what business he have, what name he has, and many other things, like how lifestyle he is having. So you can just write that all section about me in about me section. But if you are writing about yourself, so you will be writing things about yourself in about me section. So I am making randomly, so I'll be only writing lorem ipsum quote, because I don't have to write about me, because you all know, because I just give introduction, like, so you all know about me. So because of that, I'll be not writing these all things. I'll be only writing lorem ipsum tag and using that. But before doing that all things, I want this personal portfolio should be at center, and I will be changing its font size also to big. Simply I'll be going to style.css and just I'll be writing h1 tag here. Then I'll be writing text align center, and you can see we have just done that. Now I want font family should be same of everything which we are doing. So simply I will be doing this tag. Here I will be writing font family, and I will be taking it to Poppins. So previously on, we are just building, when we are building our things, like when we were just building our projects or videos, so we were just using Montserrat fonts family, but I will be using Poppins here. Simply I'll be reloading that, but we have not saved yet. Okay, so we have not linked our style sheet. So you can see in previous video also, you can check that I was just working and then I have not linked style.css file. So because of that, many of the things were having here. Refresh, and now you can see it is working. If I show you by taking it full screen, it is in center, and I want this about me should be having you can say padding from here, because it is just too much attract, it is too much like attract from this sidebar, but I don't want to do like that. So simply I'll be doing one thing. Here I'll be defining h3 tag, because in h3 I've written my about me. Then first of all, I will be doing one thing. I will be taking its font size to big, because this is too much short font size, but I don't want too much short. Save here and reload. You can see now it is going bigger, and I will be changing that to 30, because 30 will be good here. If I show you, now it is good. Here simply I will be, okay, I think 25 is good, because 30 was just having a size of this personal portfolio. Now it is good. Here I will be taking it padding to 20. If it was just not having, means if I do 20 pixel and it is just not having too much space from sidebar, so I will be taking it to more like I will be taking it more higher padding. So you can see 20 is not enough. I was just telling you about 30 will be enough. I think you can see now it is enough. So here we are just getting some of the space, you can see, from our this section. Now I want in about me, I should having the section about me. Here I'll be doing it sidebar, go to index.html file. Here I will be making a p tag, and in this p tag I will be writing simply lorem ipsum tag. So you can see, save here, reload. You can see random lorem ipsum tag is here, and now I want same thing from this lorem ipsum also. So simply I will be just first of all doing one thing. I will be making another lorem ipsum tag, so I should having more space, means more text. So here I'll be copying only this text, because you don't have to just give the text or give this again and again. So I'll be copying that. Now I will be pasting here. You can see paste, save here and reload. You can see more text we are having. Now I should do one thing. I will be having here a padding of same of 30 pixels, so it should be having same distance from between, or you can say from down. Reload. You can see we are having same distance from down also. Now I want that this should be now having a color. You can see now we have written, and I think it should having a good color, good font size, and everything good. So I will be doing first of all one thing. Go to style.css and give it the randomly color. So here I will be giving background, and the background I want of, like, you can say that of we have done that. So simply I'll be taking it to yellow, you can say, or you can say any other, you can also do. You can see we have just given that, and here if I just do one thing here, if I give it to any other, like any other color code, if I just write here, save and reload, you can see this color was just really good. Previously we have also given, but I love this color, so because of that I am giving, and I will be changing it to white, means I want these things, these tags should be in white. So simply I will be coming here, then I'll be writing that, means heading should be in different color. So I want h1 should be in different color. So h1 I will be writing that to color, and here I will be writing it to like F350. Reload. Okay, so color code did not work. 3, save, reload. You can see we are just having this color, but I want it should be much darker. So if I do that, you can see it is just not working. So simply I'll be giving random color of, like, you can say brown, but I think it should be not good. So I think it should be black, because black is too much good here of heading if I show. So here I'll be given about me color. So here it should be white. So simply I'll be writing color and it should be white. Save and reload. You can see color has been changed into white, and now I will be changing the color of this tag, means this p tag. Now I want one thing, it should having more text, because this text is not too much which we want. Simply I'll be copying this lorem ipsum now. So copy that by pressing Ctrl C again, move down. Here I will be now just coming here and then pasting that. So paste here and save here and reload here. You can see now we are getting more text here. If I show you, and we are just getting our personal portfolio page too much good like we want. Now simply I'll be going to my style.css and changing its color to like color, and then I'll be writing blue. Save here and reload, and you can see that we are getting a beautiful blue color effect. And here I want it should be just now you can see it is highlighted with blue color and it is looking too much good. And you can see this personal portfolio also should having a good color I want. So simply I'll be coming here and then I will be just changing that to color, and color should be of like, I'll be first of all erasing this selection from here, and then I will be changing that to like, if I search about any colors, you can see there are many colors you can do here. If I do orange, red, save and reload, and I've just done random color, but I think orange red is not good. Save and reload. Now you can see now it is good. So we are having a simple personal portfolio page we have not put any pic or anything, because we are writing. And in personal portfolio page the main thing is text, like the main thing is text, what you are writing about yourself or any other thing. So this was the text which was just really important, and I hope you enjoy. So if you enjoy this video, so hit a like to this video. If you are new on the channel, hit the subscribe button, and if you have learned from this video too much, so share this video with your friends and family members, so they can also learn what is programming, what is coding, how to do that, and what are things which are important in that, because these things are really helpful for you in your future and professional life. But don't worry about like these are simple projects which we are making, and I've told you in previous videos also, when I will be coming up with big projects like of intermediate and advanced, that will be really good for you, and that will be having really much styling, really good styling, really good effect, really good front end, everything should be good in that. But this is for beginners, and for beginners we should not having too much styling or too much HTML, because they will confuse in codes and they cannot put that codes, or they cannot just learn that code. So because of that I'm starting totally from beginners to advanced. So just I'll be meeting in next project on next video. So for today, goodbye.